Proactive English practice.
Excuse me. Can you move? My train is leaving.
I'm trying. My ticket won't scan.
Please hurry. I can see the train.
It's not working. The machine is stuck.
Try turning the ticket around.
Oh, that worked. Go, go, go.
No! The door's closed. I missed it.
I'm so sorry. That was my fault.
It's okay. It's not your fault. The machine was slow.
When is the next train?
20 minutes. I'm going to be late for work.
I'm really sorry. Can I buy you a coffee?
That's kind, but no, it's fine.
I feel terrible. 5 more seconds and you would have made it.
5 seconds. That's the story of my Monday.
Monday mornings are the worst.
At least I have 20 minutes to relax now.
That's a positive way to see it.
If I don't laugh, I'll cry.
I hope the rest of your day is better.
It can't be worse, right?
Hello? Hello? The elevator stopped. Sir, this is the building manager. Stay calm. Stay calm? I'm stuck between floors. What floor were you going to? 7. I'm late for work. I can see the problem. The elevator is between 6 and 7. Can you fix it? I'm calling the repair team now. How long? About 15 minutes. 15 minutes? I'm sorry. The doors can't open between floors. This is the worst Monday ever. Is there enough air? Do you feel okay? I feel trapped, but yes, I can breathe. Good. The light is working? Yes, I just can't go anywhere. The repair team is on the way. 10 more minutes. I have a meeting in 20 minutes. I'll call your office and explain. What floor? Floor 7. Ask for James. Tell him I'm stuck in a box.
Hi. I bought this dress on Saturday.
Okay, what's the problem?
There's a stain on the back.
Let me see. This looks like makeup.
I know, but I didn't wear it.
Are you sure? We can't return worn items.
I never wore it. Look, the tags are still on.
The tags are on. That's true.
Someone tried it on in the fitting room.
That's possible.
The stain was there when I opened the bag.
I believe you. I'm sorry about this.
Can I exchange it for a clean one?
Let me check. What size?
Medium, blue.
You're in luck. One left. No stains.
Thank you. That's all I wanted.
Here you go. Brand new. I checked it myself.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. Things happen.
I need to go up. Floor 7. I'm late.
I need to see your pass, sir.
My pass? Oh no.
You don't have it?
I left it at home.
I can't let you up without a pass.
But I was stuck in the elevator for 15 minutes.
That was you?
Yes, the unluckiest man in the building.
I still need to check your identity.
I work here. Floor 7, Mark Taylor.
Can someone from your office confirm?
Call James, extension 7042.
Mr. James? Someone named Mark Taylor.
He confirmed?
He says, "That's Mark. He's always in trouble."
That sounds like James.
Here's a temporary pass. Don't lose it.
I won't. Thank you.
And next time, bring your pass.
If there is a next time.
Your total is $32.50. Here, card please. I'm sorry, your card was declined. Declined? That's impossible. Can you try again? Okay, here. Again? Still declined. Do you have another card? This is so embarrassing. Don't worry, it happens a lot. Wait, let me check. Oh no. What? This is my old card. Old card? I got a new one last week. This one is expired. Do you have another way to pay? Phone payment. I have Apple Pay. Hold your phone here. Approved. Thank goodness. Modern technology saves the day. I need to throw away that old card. Yes. Before it embarrasses you again.
Excuse me. There's a mistake on my bill. Let me see. What's the problem? I ordered a burger and a water. Okay. But the bill says $42. 42. That does seem high. The burger is 18. The water is free. Let me check. There's a dessert. $12. I didn't order dessert. Chocolate cake? You didn't have cake. No. I didn't even see the dessert menu. I'm sorry. That must be from another table. And there's a service upgrade. $12. That shouldn't be there. That's an error. So my real bill is $18? Yes, 18 plus tax. I'm very sorry. That's 24 extra dollars. The dessert and the upgrade are removed. Great, so just the burger? Actually, the burger is on us. As an apology. Free burger? Well, thank you. We're sorry. Please come again. From worst lunch to best lunch.
Oh, this bench is free. I was just about to sit here. I saw it first. I was walking towards it. I was walking faster. Okay, that's probably true.
I'm sorry. I've had the worst day.
Me too. That's why I need this bench.
What happened to you?
My boss yelled at me, my coffee spilled, my phone died.
My train left, my card got declined, a dress had a stain.
Okay, you win. Your day is worse.
It's not a competition.
If it was, you'd win.
The bench is big enough for two.
You don't mind?
Sit down. We both need this bench.
Thank you. I'm Rachel, by the way.
I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you, Rachel.
Nice to meet you too. Best bench in the park.
Earned, not given.
Excuse me, that's my locker.
No, it's not. This is number 34.
I put my bag in 34 this morning.
Are you sure? My lock is on it.
Your lock? My lock is blue.
My lock is blue too.
Oh,
Wait, what number did you say?
34.
Are you sure? Not 43?
34. 3, 4. Wait,
Check again.
it's 43. My locker is 43, not 34.
You mixed up the numbers.
I'm so sorry. This is embarrassing.
It's fine. It happens.
43, not 34. I need to remember that.
Write it on your hand.
I accused you for nothing. I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. Have a good workout.
After this, I need a long workout. Taxi! Hey, I was here first.
No, I waved first.
I've been standing here for 10 minutes.
I've been here for 15.
15? Really?
Look at me. I'm completely soaked.
Okay, you are more wet than me.
Thank you for noticing.
But I had the worst day.
I had a bad day too.
Elevator, security, wrong bill, wrong locker.
My boss, my coffee, my phone.
Wait, boss, coffee, phone?
Yes, why?
My wife met someone with the exact same bad day.
Your wife? Is she Lisa?
How do you know Lisa?
We shared a bench in the park. I'm Rachel.
Rachel, she told me about you.
Small world. Okay, you take the taxi.
No, you take it. You waited longer.
How about we share? Where are you going?
Oak Street.
I'm on Elm Street. That's on the way.
Problem solved. Get in.
Excuse me, I have a problem.
What happened?
The people behind me won't stop talking.
I'm sorry. Which screen?
Screen 3, row D.
How long have they been talking?
Since the movie started. I can't hear anything.
That's terrible. I'll go speak to them.
Thank you.
Do you want to move seats too?
Are there empty seats somewhere quiet?
Row H has 4 empty seats. Much further away.
Is that a good view?
The best view in the cinema, actually.
I'll move there. Thank you.
I'll still talk to them. It's not fair.
I paid $14. I want to hear the movie.
Of course. You deserve a good experience.
This has been the longest Monday ever.
Monday is almost over. Enjoy the movie.
From row H, the best seat in the house.
Sometimes complaints lead to upgrades.
Silver lining. I'm home. What a nightmare.
You think your day was bad?
I missed my train by 5 seconds.
I was stuck in an elevator for 15 minutes.
My card got declined. In front of everyone.
I forgot my pass. Security called James.
What did James say?
That's Mark. He's always in trouble.
That's perfect.
The restaurant added $24 to my bill.
No.
But they gave me a free burger.
Free burger? That's a win.
Then I accused a man of stealing my locker.
What?
I mixed up 34 and 43. My mistake.
Oh, Mark.
And then I fought for a taxi with Rachel.
Rachel? My Rachel from the bench?
Yes, we shared the taxi. Small world.
My turn. I returned a stained dress.
Did they believe you?
Yes, they found a clean one.
And the cinema?
People talked through the whole movie.
The worst.
But I moved to row H. Best seat in the cinema.
10 disasters in one Monday.
But also, free burger. New friend, best seat.
Monday tried to break us. Monday failed.